is a beautiful painting. Because of this painting, I am choosing 14 by 18 canvas board. Acrylic colors are brilliant yellow green, burnt amber, burnt sienna, lemon yellow, permanent yellow deep, cadmium red, light blue, cobalt blue, sap green, viridian hue and titanium white. Here I am using gel medium instead of water. The first step, moist shorthand flat brush and picking some cobalt blue mix with titanium white. Mix well, apply on the top of the canvas board and blend it. Next, light blue and titanium white, the last lemon yellow and cadmium red, and blend the colors together. Next step, I am creating lighter shade of the trees effect to the view of far away. After finishing this, next step little coming down, I am creating little darker shade of the trees effect. We are creating like pleasant countryside near the road in spring seasons. So I am using sap green and viridian hue and brilliant yellow green to create the grass effect more on the land and creating dark shade grass effect on the both side of the pathway too. Next, to create the tree, picking some bone jumper and bone zaina to the base of the trunk of the trees. I am using titanium white and bone zaina to the highlight. Here I am using filbert brush size 12 to create the first layer of the flowers like this. Next I am using stencil brush, picking some cadmium red to create the second layer of the flowers with the tapping techniques. Finally, I am using the lemon yellow and titanium white. This will give more realistic look to the flowers. I am using bonsai and mix with titanium white to create the new path. But if you want, you can leave it to the previous one. I am showing here two kind of pathway. I hope that my paintings are making you feel happy. Now I am creating bench under the tree using flat brush size 4 and picking black to create the bench like this. Just you do like this as I am doing. After finishing that, light falling on the bench, so I am using liner brush and picking a little bit of titanium white to create the line like this. I hope that this painting is useful to your practicing. Already beginners level guide video is available on playlist. Please, if you are the beginner, just check it there. Thanks for your supporting. I meet you in my next painting. Subscribe my channel for upcoming amazing videos. Thanks for watching.